Hello everyone, this is Ratika Roy Bhattacharya. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Study Together with Ratika. You might have noticed that today I don't have my laptop, pen, tablet, marker, board, anything like that because I'm not going to give you any Gyan type video, but this video is for unboxing and review of the class monitor activity kit which I got for my child. So you can see this has been packed very well. The whole weight of the kit is 4.2 kg. After this, the kit has been packed in this cardboard carton, and this is nursery kit. I got this on the Black Friday sale and I got this just after one day. Okay, so you can say that the delivery is too fast. There are so many things inside this packet. Then this reusable marker. Then these cardboards, 1 to 10 and A to Z cardboards, and these are really such good material. This kit has a user manual in which the categories are divided and there are total 14 categories. Okay, so this kit consists of 14 categories in which different types of activities are there. In all, it promises to give you 250 activities or more than that. Along with this, one application is to be used, that is class monitor application. When we upload all the videos of our child, means if we complete all the activities and upload the videos in that application, we will be getting a certificate of completion of the activity. Okay, now these are flashcards. You see, these are good quality flashcards. Okay, and these are large enough so that the child is able to hold it, feel it and see clearly what the flashcard wants to explain. These are 1 to 10 flashcards first of all, and then animals. Okay, after that A to Z is given. Okay, flashcards consisting of A to Z. Plant a letter, flower printable. Okay. Now, if you are able to see this dotted line shows that you can cut it and use it inside the activity kit that I'll be showing now. Then dragonfly, fly. Okay, all the insects. After that, the shapes, and also you can use it as showing for different types of colors. Okay, this was about the large sized flashcards. Now, I'll be showing you the smaller flashcards. These are for different colors. Okay, brown, green. Days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. This was all about the flashcards. Let's move on further. Okay, after that, this 3 or 4 large sized posters I've got. Okay, this is body poster. Then now this whole poem is picturized on this poster so that the child is able to know what are the things which are happening in the poem, and also at one age will be able to read the poem. Okay, so now you see so many worksheets are there, and all of these worksheets are activity based so that your child can do various number of activities in a single category. I told you that there is a manual. Let's check it first of all. Now the first category is literacy skills, and we have got the literacy skills worksheets. Okay, now you can use these worksheets. See, this is a worksheet in which many number of alphabets are there, and the child will have to circle the letter A. In the same way, it has got I think 26 sheets in which the child is asked to circle different alphabets. Okay, after this, uppercase and lowercase alphabet match. Okay. One thing I would like to add, that this is not laminated. Okay, so you need to use pencil so that if you want to use it again, then you will be able to use. Next we have this numeracy skills. Okay, the second is numeracy skills. Okay, here also we have got various worksheets. Okay, first of all, this matching activity is given. Okay, matching object picture cards, then number of candies. The next skills is animals, right? So this one is cow craft. Okay, different parts are there. How we can use it? If we are not able to understand, we have this QR code. We can scan this using our application that we have downloaded in our mobile. The best part is that at the back of every worksheet there is an instruction. So if you are not able to understand, you can read the instructions and ask the child to do the same. Right. Also, one thing you can do, in case you are not able to understand anything, you can call on 626204. The number is flashing over here, so that you can get help from the customer care support provided by the team, and they are really very helpful. Now these animals, now these are the worksheets for insects identification. Then the birds. Okay, B is for bird printable. Then colors. Okay. Now this worksheet is going to be very useful and interesting for several children, because many children love to color. Now several balloons are there. The child will have to color it. For example, R for red. So the red balloons need to be colored red. So in this way the child will be able to learn the color skills. Now the rhymes. Okay, so many worksheets are there. You can see here. Human body, parts of the body. Okay, complete the face. Okay, color the objects that make sound. Okay, so again, interesting activities. Again, fruit and vegetables. Many activities are there. Again, wow. Okay, then flowers. Color the flowers that are the same. So the similar type of flowers will be colored with the same color. Okay. Then community helpers. Those people who help us, teachers, doctors. Okay, the next skill is shapes. Okay, there are so many activities here in this one, right? Different shapes has to be cut down. And the best part is, for each shape, a particular worksheet is given so that the child will be able to see and he will be able to recognize each and every shape properly. Okay, now the next one is stories. Category becomes the most interesting for children because they love to hear stories. The last one is transportation. Okay, number of cars, number of trucks are drawn and the child is supposed to circle the particular number. Puzzle is also there, transport puzzle. You can cut them and offer your child to solve the puzzle, right? So in this way, this activity kit is really very awesome. It is very interesting, very engaging, and even daily, if you give 15 to 20 minutes along with your child, the child will be definitely able to learn new things. If you want me to make a video, a separate video on each of the skills, you can write in the comment section. I'll definitely do that. Okay. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel.